So it's clear as day. It's hot as hell, as you already know, afternoon in Florida. But it's nice. It's nice and breezy. And my neighbor cut my grass because I didn't get a chance to do it. So today we're going to be very productive because, as you can see behind me, the ISF is filthy. It is dusty, it is nasty, it is ugly, and I need to go ahead and take care of this car. As you can see, neglect has been a part of this car's life, and that's because I don't drive it as much. Look at this. The accumulation of garbage on this car is insane. I would do the standard touch your rim thing and show you the brake dust, but I'm a germaphobe and I don't want to touch that. We're gonna go ahead and bring this baby outside, bring that baby inside, and we're gonna wash this thing today. Alright, so car's outside, and let's just do a quick walk around and see how disgusting this thing really is. Of course, gotta show some love to the Lexus, right? Honestly, needs a good wash. As you can see. How you doing? It's really filthy. This is all from the Josie exhaust, and I say that because when I had my regular exhaust, the stock exhaust, it shoots to the ground, so none of that actually came out of the exhaust pipes and up into the bumper. So I never had this issue before until I got the Josie exhaust. So we're gonna fully detail this thing today. Maybe, I don't know if I feel like it or not, but it needs a good wash. That thin layer of dust, like I said, usually the car isn't as dirty. And because sometimes I could be a little extra and being super dramatic about everything, like I said, the car hasn't been driven for quite some time, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash that today. I'm gonna show you guys my method of cleaning vinyl wrap. Everyone has their own methods of cleaning their car, but this is what I find to be the most effective way to not scratch your vinyl. So what I have here is my bucket system. You guys know I've been using this for a couple years now. I literally just made these out of Home Depot buckets. My buddy got me this foam gun, and I'll show you guys why it's the best thing ever invented. I got a tire scrubber and a detail brush for the wheels. I also use this Walmart paintbrush or paint pad to clean the inside of my barrels, so that I don't use a microfiber towel and go in there and cut up my hands. And as well as that, I didn't want to spend, you know, 25 bucks for a wheel brush. So just put that in there, put that in there, and I gotta find the stuff for this one. There we go. I also use the simple stuff, McGuire's car wash. I buy it by the gallon because I wash the car a lot, but for this demonstration I'm gonna go ahead and use Adam's car soap for the foamer. Just because I have it here and I just want to use it up. Another thing that I like to use is degreaser on the wheels to help break down the brake dust. But if you're feeling uncomfortable, you could always use all-purpose cleaner, which is right here. I use McGuire's all-purpose cleaner. The degreaser I use is the Zep heavy-duty citrus degreaser. Just make sure everything is diluted. I ceramic coated the faces of these TE37s, so cleaning this should be very, very easy. Same thing with the vinyl. I ceramic coated after I finished vinyl wrapping it, just to add some protection to it. Very simple. We're going to foam it, foam the whole car, let it sit, and let it take off all the dirt and let it drop to the ground. After it's done foaming, I'm gonna rinse the whole car again. If I have leftover foam, I usually just foam it again one more time, and then I start washing it with the actual car soap. Foam it, rinse it, choose to foam it again if you have any more, and then wash the whole thing with the car soap and the sheep fur pad or whatever you want to call it. It just reduces a lot of scratches. So let's get started. All right. Nice and clean and shiny. Whew. This color is amazing, guys. So there you have it. That's my solution to washing a car that's vinyl wrapped. As you can see, it looks fantastic. I'm loving it. And this car really needed a wash. I'm just happy I was able to do it. There's actually a TRC or That Racing Channel event this weekend at PBIR that I kind of want to attend. And I want to take this car with the for sale sign on it. So might go, might not, I don't know yet, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so I hope you guys were able to pick up something from this video. Very simple car wash video that I always do once in a while, but I'm able to actually record today because it wasn't so hot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure the bell is clicked so that you get notifications right away when I upload a video. Like I said, I'm trying to do this on a daily basis because I really enjoy doing the videos and you guys seem to really like it as well. Vlogging seems to be the thing for this channel, and I think I enjoy that more than actually just doing the simple do-it-yourself videos. That takes a lot of time, environment, and everything has to be just right just to be a good video. But vlogging is a little bit more uncensored, a little bit more unscripted, and I like that a lot better. So again, in the garage, always in this garage. Hopefully there's more things for this channel. Hopefully there's more things for my future. Like most small YouTubers that become a gigantic staple in the YouTube community, like TJ Hunt, Adam Elsie, all of them. We all started somewhere. So to motivate myself, I'm just gonna continue to make videos because I really enjoy it. I hope I can expand on the channel and do way more projects. One day I hope to get another place and hopefully to build a giant garage and make videos out of that, so I don't have to be so confined in this small garage. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love these two cars that I've acquired over the couple years, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So peace.